Moving to UAE is an exciting new beginning. Every year, thousands of people arrive in the UAE for new career opportunities, business, family, and a better lifestyle. But the first few weeks can also feel overwhelming. You may have many questions. Where should I start? What documents do I need? How do you settle quickly? What mistakes should you avoid? In this video, we will guide you through a practical first 30-day checklist to help you begin your UAE journey with confidence. Welcome to UAE Simplified, your trusted guide to life in the UAE. Our mission is simple. We create practical educational content to help tourists, expats, families, and professionals understand the UAE better. Every video is designed to simplify real-life questions using practical information so people can make better decisions with confidence. Because if someone watches our content and avoids an expensive mistake, confusion, or unnecessary difficulty, then the video has achieved its purpose. Your UAE journey actually begins before you land. Good preparation before arrival can save you time, money, and unnecessary stress. This first step is organizing your important documents. Depending on your situation, you may need documents such as passport copies, visa-related papers, employment documents, education certificates, and family records. Keep both physical and digital copies. A simple folder stored securely on your phone or cloud storage can save you a lot of time later. A second important area is planning your finances. Many newcomers think only about their salary, but the first month usually involves additional expenses. You may need money for temporary accommodation, transportation, food, deposits, and basic household requirements. Planning ahead gives you peace of mind while you settle. Once you arrive in the UAE, the first week is about creating a stable foundation. Your first priority is staying connected. A local mobile connection helps you communicate, use maps, access transportation applications, and manage many daily services. The next step is understanding transportation. The UAE has modern transport options including metro, buses, taxis, ride services, and personal vehicles. Before choosing a permanent home, understand your daily travel needs. A location that looks cheaper may become expensive if your daily commute is difficult. Accommodation is another major decision. Take time to understand the area. Consider distance from work, transport availability, nearby facilities, and your lifestyle requirements. A good home location can make your UAE experience much easier. Once you have settled into your accommodation and become familiar with your surroundings, it's time to focus on your official setup. During your first month, you will likely be completing important administrative tasks that help you establish your life in the UAE. These may include residency-related processes, obtaining your Emirates ID if applicable, opening a bank account when eligible, and becoming familiar with the services you will use every day. The exact process depends on your visa type, employer, sponsor, and personal circumstances. So always rely on official information and follow the guidance provided by the relevant authorities or your employer. One piece of advice I always give is simple. Don't delay important paperwork. Completing these tasks early can make the rest of your transition much smoother. If you are becoming a UAE resident, one of the most important documents you will become familiar with is the Emirates ID. Think of it as an essential part of everyday life in the UAE. It is commonly used for identification and access to many services. Because procedures and requirements can change over time, I won't be giving step-by-step instructions in this video. Instead, always refer to the latest guidance from the relevant UAE authorities or your sponsor. In a future video, we will explain the Emirates ID in much more in detail. Another important milestone is becoming familiar with the banking in the UAE. Different banks may have different eligibility requirements, products, and account options. Rather than choosing the first option you see, take a little time to compare services that match your needs. Consider factors such as digital banking, customer service, fees, branch locations, and international transfer options if you regularly send money abroad. Making an informed decision now can save you both time and money later. By now, you are no longer just visiting the UAE, you are beginning to build a daily routine. Take time to explore your neighborhood. Locate your nearest supermarket, pharmacy, healthcare facilities, public transport options, and other everyday services. Small habits also make a big difference. Learn your commute, understand local customs, respect community rules, and become familiar with your surroundings. The more comfortable you become with your local area, the more enjoyable your experience will be. Let's finish with a few common mistakes that many newcomers make and how you can avoid them. First, don't rush major decisions. Give yourself time to understand different areas before making long-term commitments. Second, avoid relying solely on social media or online opinions. Advice that worked for one person may not apply to your situation. Whenever possible, verify important information through official sources. Third, plan your budget carefully. Your first month often includes one-time setup costs that are easy to overlook. And finally, keep your important documents organized from day one. A little organization now can save a lot of stress later. Let us quickly review your first 30-day checklist. Prepare your important documents. Plan your finances. Understand your transport options. Choose accommodation carefully. Complete your official administrative requirements as applicable. Become familiar with your local community. Keep learning. And remember, settling into a new country doesn't happen overnight. Give yourself time, stay organized, and don't be afraid to ask questions from reliable sources. Welcome to the UAE and welcome to UAE Simplified. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more practical guides designed to make life in the UAE simpler and easier to understand. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. This video is provided for general educational purposes only. Regulations and procedures may change, so please verify the latest information with the relevant official UAE authorities or licensed professionals before making important decisions.